Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 2.8, solving equations with the calculator. Now I know we've been solving equations using hand methods, but today we are going to solve equations using the calculator method. And the steps read as follows. We need to divide these equations into two parts. And when we divide the equation into two parts, we enter the left side of the equation into y1. Then we go down into the right side of the equation into y2. We're going to hit graph to see if they intersect. If we do not see them intersect, we must hit zoom, hit the number 3 for zoom out, and hit enter. Now, when you can see the lines intersect, we go to second trace. We go down to number 5, which says intersect. And we hit enter 3 times. You must see the word intersection. And they're going to give us two values. And what we are looking for is correct, the x value. All right, so let's take a look at A. And we are going to divide this equation into two parts. The left side of the equation, we're going to place that in y1. And the right side of the equation, we'll place into y2. So let's pull out our calculators. Now, since we're using calculators, we have to know where that y1 is even at. And I always say, what is the only button on the calculator with an equal sign? Y equals. So everyone, let's go to y equals. And we'll place the left side. And we have 2x plus 3. So notice I placed it in exactly as I saw it. 2x plus 3. And that represents my left side. And then we go down. And the right side is 6. So 2x plus 3 will go into y1 and 6 into y2. Now, the next step is we have to hit graph. Now, we're hitting graph because we want to see if the two lines intersect. And intersect simply means to cross. Do we see them touch? The answer is yes. So since we do see them touch, I can go to step 4, which is second trace. We're going to go to number 5, where we see the word intersect, and enter. And rule 5 tells us to hit enter 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And the word we must see is intersection. I see that word, and my x value would be x equals 1.5. All right. Now, let's try problem B. All right, so remember, we're in y equals. Divide the equation into 2 equal parts. And we have y1 and y2. And we have negative 1/3 x minus 5 equals 3 times x plus 2. The left side, we have a fraction. So to get a fraction, hit alpha, y equals, and then enter. And we have negative 1/3 x minus 5 and in y2 we have 3 open parentheses x plus 2 close parentheses. All right, now go to the number 3 and hit graph. Do we see the lines intersect? Yes, we do. So let's go to the next step, which is second trace. Go down to number 5 and hit enter 3 times until you see the word intersection, and we see it, and x equals negative 3.3. And last but not least, C. Cut the equation into half or into 2 parts. The left side is y1 and the right side is y2. Let's go to y equals, and in y1 we will place the left side of the equation, which is, remember, for a fraction, we use alpha y equals, and then enter 1/2, open parentheses, times 4x minus 6 plus 5. And the right side of the equation, another fraction, so alpha y equals, enter 2/3 x minus 3 open parentheses x minus 1 close them. Now 3 we have to hit graph. We gotta see if they touch. Now, we have a little circle turning at the top up here. Once it goes away, that means that your graph has finished graphing. We see where the lines touch. We go to the next rule, second trace. We hit the number 5, and we hit enter 1, 2, 3 times. And it intersects at x equals 0.23. Remember, whenever we're solving equations using the calculator, we're going to divide the equation into a left side and a right side. The left side goes into y1. The right side of the equation goes into y2. We graph to make sure that our lines intersect. And once we have confirmation, we hit second trace, hit the number 5, into 3 times. You must see the word intersection, and the x value is our solution. Remember, if you have any questions, do not forget to ask your teacher, because we are here for you. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day.